Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find your policy number with United Healthcare. Let's get started. First, take your insurance card. Many United Healthcare cards show the policy number on the front. It may be labeled as policy number, group number, or member ID. If you are unsure, the policy number is usually a mix of letters and numbers. If you don't have your card, that's okay. Another way is through your app. First, open the app on phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on My Plans at the bottom of your screen. Then tap on My ID card. You can review your policy number directly on your phone. Another place to look is your email or mail. Check your welcome letter, monthly billing statement, or explanation of benefits. These documents often include your policy number. And that's it. That's how to find a United Healthcare policy number using our phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.